Today I'm going to teach you how to make a banana foster cheesecake, which has a creamy cheesecake batter and a banana foster topping. So let's get started. The first step is to make the graham cracker crust. For that we need graham crumbs, brown sugar, cinnamon, and melted butter. Let's mix it for about 40 seconds or until it resembles wet sand. Then take the mixture and I'm gonna put it into a lined spring-form pan. And with a cup or anything with a flat surface, I'm gonna press it down. Make sure to also press the sides as well, to create a nice ball. Now we're gonna bake it for about 10 minutes and make sure to let it cool for at least 20 minutes. While the crust is baking, let's make the cheesecake batter. For that we need softened cream cheese and brown sugar, some cinnamon and nutmeg to give it a special flavor. Add some flour to make it more stable and then start mixing it on a low speed setting. Make sure to move the mixer all around the bowl to mix it evenly. And when it's creamy, let's add the sour cream, just to give it a nice tanginess. And vanilla. We're going to mix it for about a minute on a low speed to make sure we avoid air bubbles. When it's combined, add about a cup of mashed bananas, which is about 2 to 3 medium-sized bananas. Mix it in, and lastly we're gonna add eggs. So we are pretty much done with the cheesecake batter. Now let's fill it on top of the cooled graham crust. You can notice in the batter little pieces of mashed bananas. That's a good sign, so it's not overmixed. Make sure you scrape it out completely so you don't waste any of this deliciousness. I like to smooth out the surface and then bake it for about an hour in a water bath. For the topping, let's make banana foster. So I'm gonna need some butter, brown sugar, nutmeg, cinnamon, heavy cream, and vanilla. Let it cook over medium heat for a few minutes and make sure you stir it until the sugar has melted. You know it's ready when you can't see any sugar crystals. That looks good. Turn off the heat and finish it by adding sliced bananas. I recommend to stir it no longer than 30 seconds, otherwise the bananas get too soft and mushy. Make sure to let it cool for at least half an hour. And then when it's cool enough, we're gonna pour it over the chilled cheesecake. I like to cover the whole surface with it, but it's optional, depending on how you want to decorate it. And to make it look fancier, I like to add whipped cream swirls, but this is completely optional. And that's it. I believe this is a great recipe to make ahead for any family event or for your mother-in-law if you want her to like you. You can find the full recipe on my blog, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Happy baking! Bye!